Welcome. Today we'll walk you through a simple and effective way to view shared videos in a chat on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, accessing these videos has become easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop application on your PC. Once the app is launched, you'll see a list of your chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Find the chat where you want to view shared videos. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a channel. Next, click on the name of the chat at the top of the window. This will open the contact info page for that specific chat. Here, you'll find various details about the chat, such as its members, settings, and shared content. Now, look for the section labeled Videos within the contact info page. This section acts as a dedicated gallery for all video files shared in that particular chat. Click on it to access all the videos exchanged in the conversation. Once inside the Videos section, you'll see a well-organized collection of clips shared within the chat. You can scroll through this list to find anything from funny moments to important recordings. If you're looking for a specific video, Telegram's search feature makes it easy. Simply enter relevant keywords to filter your results, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly locate and enjoy all shared videos in any Telegram chat using your PC. Whether it's for entertainment or work purposes, Telegram ensures that accessing media files is seamless and user-friendly. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to explore this feature and enhance your Telegram experience today.